All right, so we're going to go over the Unit 7 practice test. Depending on the grades I've seen so far, I'm expecting y'all to do great things. All right, so first thing we know is that we have 9 minus 4. Well, we're going to get 5 now. So if you're taking a multiple choice test, that goes away. All right, what is going to be our power of x right here? Yes, to the third. Awesome. Okay, so that automatically knocks that other one out. So you have a 33% chance to getting this one right already. And then again, 3 minus 7 is 4. That's one of the good things about this. I'm finally able to give you some test taking techniques. And that's good because, they want y'all to be able to solve real world problems. But by golly, you better make close to a 30 on the ACT. That not really, but All right, so looks like we have to the third to the first, so -4 plus -2, so we got -6y to the third. Well, that already cancels out those two. And if you got 1 on 2 plus, you would have actually gotten this all the way through. Okay. So how many of y'all were doing this when you were taking the practice test? Like you would do one part of it and see what you can mark out and stuff. At least 1 or 2 of you. Good. Oh, more people. Awesome. That's the way to approach a multiple choice test. Okay, do part of it. It actually will keep you from doing all of it. Okay, it's called working smarter, not harder. Okay. Okay. Jokes are bad. All right. So we have 5 minus 2, so this is going to be 3z to the third. Uh-oh. We only get to mark out one of them now, so we got to keep going. All right. So 3z minus 1z is going to be 2z. And then -8 minus -3 will actually give us -5. Okay. So, this is what? This is 12 problems. Probably took most of y'all maybe 5-6 minutes. Okay. So that's fine. But, that's why I kind of like what we're doing. Okay. The big thing that y'all need to carry on from other stuff is these combined like terms and things as it carries on. All right. Now we're doing distributive property. So we multiply. We have 3 times 4, so we get 12. That one's out of the way. Now, what's going to be our power of g? Yeah, to the third power. Remember, when you multiply, you add. And, minus 6g. So it would have been that one right there. Okay. Fairly. I get bored sometimes, and I like watching my head dance back and forth on the little screen. I know. All right. Yeah, I should probably go see somebody about some of this stuff. All right, so -2 times 5 is -10. And we're going to have x to the 4th. Okay. This should be -2x to the third. And then plus 6x squared. Okay. There was one of these that there was a typo on. Was it this one? Okay. And yeah, it should have had a negative right there. I think I fixed it. I don't know. I'll go back and double check and things like that. Thank you for very nonchalantly pointing that out. This one. Good job. Okay. And I'll go back and double check the test for you. I'll take it. So, All right. Are we good here? You might need more time. Yes, no. All right. Now, This is what we did yesterday. We had the double distributive or we had the table method. Okay. Hopefully you should know that this one is not a choice at all. Okay. You should not have this 2m plus 6. There's no way for that to happen. All right. If you did double distributive, it was set up this way. If you did table, it was set up this way. All right. So now here's what's funny. This is one of the choices right here. That's not actually the right answer. That's what it is before you combine like terms. Some people may have chosen this because they just, oh, that's what I got on my paper. Okay, that's not a choice. This is your actual answer right here. Okay, so make sure that you combine like terms before you submit and things like that. All right, good stuff. Good things, Roll Tide. Okay. All right, double distributive would look like this. And table will look like this. And I had about the same number in both classes. That some of them that like double distributed more, some people like the table more. Okay, you definitely should know that this isn't it. Okay, that choice is just adding. So this is multiplication. That's not going to happen. All right, this one's not it. This would actually be your right answer. Okay. The fact that you only have 3 things to choose from kind of helps out a little bit. One of them is definitely nowhere near the answer. So that gives you a 50-50 shot. Okay. And I can go back and work out any of these if you need me to later when we get done. Double distributive looks like this. Table looks like this. All right, so we know that's not going to be it. So it is going to have this. It is going to have a positive 18. It's the middle thing, okay? We got a 12 and we got a 24. Which one is it? Is it going to be this top one or this bottom one? Awesome, everybody. It is. It is the top one. Yeah, no, nobody said anything. We're actually told to wait 3 to 5 seconds for students' responses. And then we've actually had classes or like professional development where sometimes that's not right. Sometimes you need to go longer. Okay, no, I don't. Some of y'all just are semi-mute. All right. We're getting close to the end here. Oh my goodness. If you just did the first part, you would have got this one right. That's awesome. I mean, I can go ahead and keep going. Okay, and wait a minute. That should be a 16, not an 18. There we go. All right, we good here? Anybody need more time? Nope. All right, so this one, this is the answer, right? The 6m minus 8? No. Because remember, this would actually be 3m minus 4 quantity times 3m minus 4 quantity. Okay? That one right there. That's the big thing. This choice right here, what these people did for this one, this 6m minus 8 choice, they just multiplied 3 times 2 and 4 times 2. A lot of these answer choices that aren't the answers are stuff that students have given us before as answers to problems. That's funny. All right, this one is your answer here. And do we have any more? Oh, yep. Oh, hey. Not that one, not that one. All right, remember, with the same terms, different signs, the middle terms go away. Okay, same terms, different signs, the middle terms go away. So this is the only example where you'll have a binomial times a binomial, and your answer is a binomial. Normally, a binomial times a binomial is a trinomial. This is a special case. Okay, it's unique. My mom says I'm special. Okay, that kind of thing. Huh? I'm sorry. Well, we are kind of related. Well, maybe you're just not that cool.